So I'm requesting Shima, please you start reading.
Hello.
Hello, Shima, please start. I am also sharing.
Yes, sir. Today's topic is data visualization. Data visualizations refer to the graphical representation of information and data. By using visual elements like charts, graphs, and maps, data visualization tools provide an accessible way to see and understand trends, outliers, and patterns in data. The primary goal of data visualization is to make complex data more understandable, intuitive, and actionable. It allows individuals to interpret vast amount of data quality and to identify new patterns or insights that might not be apparent in raw data. Data visualization is widely used in various fields such as business, science, research, and journalism to communicate information effectively and aid in decision-making processes.
Yes,
The
stop
first
now,
is
stop now.
bar plot.
Stop
Ji.
now. So what is the primary goal of data visualization? Why do we use the data visualization?
So to
We have the raw
understand
data, but still we will use the chart, graphs, etc. Why?
so to understand the data in a better way.
Yeah, because the raw data is very complex.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can simplify.
Yes, sir.
By,
It helps us to make inferences in a better way and a generalized manner.
yes. Okay. So we can simplify the data.
Yes.
For that reason, data visualization is important. Okay. Now, I am requesting Shubhrata, can you read from bar plot? Okay. Shubhrata, not possible. Okay.
Sir, can I read?
Yeah, please.
Okay, sir. Bar plots are commonly used to compare and display the frequency, count, or the other summary measures for different categories. First one is vertical bar plot. Describes the traditional vertical bar plot where categories are represented on the x-axis and the heights of bars represent the values. Second is clustered bar plot. Discuss clustered bar plots where multiple bars for each category are grouped together, allowing easy comparison between different groups. And third, stacked bar plot explores stacked bar plots where bars are stacked on top of each other, representing the total value for each category and the composition of subcategories.
Okay. So, bar plot. What is the purpose for using the bar plot? Why do we use the bar plot? Apia, please. What is the purpose for using the bar plot?
They describe the data in a visual manner.
Sir, can I answer?
No, it is written to compare and display the frequency, count, or other summary measures for different categories. Okay, so frequency. So when our measurement scale or the variable that is measured by using the nominal or ordinal data, okay, that is the categorical data, then we can apply the bar plot. Okay. So bar plot provides us knowledge about the frequency of distribution. And there are different types of bar plot: vertical, clustered, and stack bar plot. Okay. So Nishu, please you read the histogram.
Yes, sir. So histograms, a fundamental tool in statistics and data analysis, provide a visual representation of the distribution and frequency of data. This graphical representation employs bars to display the frequency of numeric data points within specific ranges, offering insights into the underlying patterns and characteristics of the dataset. In this, we will explore the significance of histograms, their construction, interpretation, and real world applications. Constructing a histogram. Constructing a histogram involves several key steps. First is data collection. Gather the dataset that needs to be analyzed. Second, determining bins. Divide the data range into intervals or bins. Counting frequencies. That means count the number of data points falling into each bin. Drawing bars. Draw rectangles bar for each bin with the height representing the frequency. And then interpreting histograms. Histograms offer crucial insights to the data. Shape of distribution. The shape of the histogram indicates whether the data is symmetric, skewed, bimodal, or uniform. Central tendency. The center of the histogram shows the mean, median, or mode of the dataset. Dispersion. The spread of data is indicated by the width of the histogram. Outliers. Unusual data points can be identified as bars that stand out from the rest.
Okay. So, Nishu, can you tell me now what is the difference between bar plot and the histogram? When we will use the bar plot and when we will use the histogram?
Sir, as per what I have understood, bar plot is used just to understand the difference between the frequency. On the other hand, histogram is used in specific ranges.
Correct. So, in case of the bar plot, the measurement scale is nominal or ordinal. But in case of the histogram, the measurement scale will be interval or ratio. Okay. So in case of the bar plot, we cannot understand the dispersion of the data. Okay, because it provides only the frequency. But in histogram, we can understand the dispersion of the data. Even we can find out the outliers also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am coming to the SPSS, data visualization, so that it will be easy for you to understand. This is clear now. Okay, so this is the data. And I want to find out the frequency distribution. So first I click graph. After that, there is legacy dialog. Then is bar. So I am clicking simple. and summaries of separate variables. I click this one. Now I am taking only the carrier impact. Okay. Change statistics. So this is not the mean. This is the number of cases.
Yes, ma'am. Sir is not audible. Excuse me, ma'am. Farah, ma'am, are you there? Sir, you are on mute.
Hello, is it visible?
Yes, sir, but we could not see the steps.
Acha, the steps is click the graphs. After that, legacy dialog. Legacy dialog. After that, you go to the histogram. And there you have to select the variable. I have selected this variable, carrier impact.
Okay.
And next, okay.
Okay, sir.
Then I get this histogram.
ये बगल है
So-
ना इसका मिला.
Which is the range of the data. Some people responded to 1, some people 2, some people 3, some people 4, some people 5.
छोटा छोटा
Okay,
कमरा.
so majority people were in favor of 4 and 5. So you can think that is the mean is located between 4 and 5. This is the mean 4.18 and standard deviation 0.94. Okay, so I am getting the mean within this range, 4 and 5. Okay, because majority data lie here. So that is the advantage of the histogram instead of the bar plot. Now there is,
As per my understanding, in histogram, aren't the boxes joined together? There is gap in these boxes.
which are,
So these boxes of 1, 2, 3, the blue boxes. The histogram mein aren't the boxes joined?
no, in SPSS not joined.
Okay.
SPSS give the separate.
Okay, sir.
No joint. No, that is not there. Okay, now I am going to again graphs, legacy dialog. I am going to bar, simple bar. Summaries for of separate variables. Now define I am taking carrier impact. New solution. Okay. Okay. So this is the mean of all the items. And this is the bar plot. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
So again, you have to go to the graphs. After that, legacy dialog, then bar. And then you can click simple. And after that, summaries of separate variables. Here summaries means mean. Okay, so each variable's mean you will get. So here you can find out the mean. And if you want to change the statistics, suppose you want to change it the median. Then you can click it, continue, then okay. So now you are getting the median. Okay. So this is the median value. You can use mean or median. If mean and median is very close to each other, then you do not have any difficulty to use the mean. And if you think that is the mean and median is not close to each other, then you can use the median. Okay. Because median is not affected by skewness. So this is all about the data visualization. There is another thing. Graphs, legacy dialog. After that, there is one pie diagram. Summaries of the separate variables. Define. So again, I am taking all these values. Here, then okay. So now you can get it. Very nice distribution. Almost similar. They have given importance on all the variables that is similar, almost similar. And if you want to get it separately, this is visible, this pie diagram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you want the specific one, then you have to do legacy dialog. After that, pie diagram, summaries of separate variables, define. Then you can select the reset. After that, only the carrier impact. New strategies. Okay. So now you can find out 50% in
Sir,
favor of carrier impact and in favor of new strategies.
yes, sir. Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, is there a percentage mentioned of these? Like in this one, it is very clear that it is 50-50, but the pie chart that we drew before this one, it is not very clear what the percentage of each slice is exactly. So is it mentioned somewhere?
Yeah, that is not here because it is not providing that information.
Okay, and how do we get that information?
maybe there is no such option.
But then how will we interpret it?
Your point is genuine, but SPSS not getting. Okay, then possibly there is another thing. Okay, I will try. There is one concept, that is the chart builder. Pi is there. We are getting in Art Studio, but I'm not sure how we can get it in there, because there is nothing about that one.
Okay, sir, no problem.
It is not available. Again, I'm trying. Your point is genuine.
Sir, from interactive, it is visible. There are
Here it is
for
options.
yes, sir, 3 options for pie diagram. The simple is tagged and plotted. In simple, there is also option for color and style. So
Hello,
here
anybody knows?
Yes, sir, Seema ma'am knows. She was just explaining. Maybe she wasn't audible.
Shima, how we can get it?
hello. Sir, in graphs, in Legacy, there is an interactive icon.
Shima, can you share screen?
Yes, sir.
Please, you share the screen.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing. Sir, 1 minute. This ribbon is there. Sir, in graphs, there is Legacy dialog and there is interactive sessions.
Oh,
Here
interactive.
is Yes, sir. And here is three options: simple, stacked, and plotted. In simple, if we clicked, then there is also a dialog box.
Then
Then, sir, we have to go to style and fill the the details which you were telling us earlier, like slice summary. We have to fill it.
oh, your value already percent.
Yes, sir. By this, I got this percent option.
If you have the percent option, then it will continue. It will accept a count from the count. How you go to the percent.
Yes, sir.
Slice by which?
Sir, yeah, I'm not getting this.
No, because you have one or two, that means some categoric data is there.
Yes,
So
sir.
based upon that, you can make the slice.
Okay.
Maybe this negative mass level you have written, no? So you can select that one. Negative mass level or positive.
But it is not getting selected.
Because how it can slice. For example, male, female.
So it is level high and low.
Okay. That is possible. So no, this panel variables, you have not written anything. Some variables may be
Ma'am, maybe you can try to change some other options so it gets selected.
no, it is not interactive. That means so if you
Should I
already have the
stop?
percentage, then you can go. Okay, you can stop now.
Yes, sir.
I'm sharing the screen again. That is the data view. This is very vital. Legacy dialog. Here you can find out box plot. Summaries of separate variables. You can select this variable, define. Now you are selecting total score. Total score by, then OK. So now I am getting,
Sir, your output screen is not visible. Your output screen is not visible.
acha. Stop share. This is the output. Okay. So this is the box square plot. That is the total score. And here you can find out there is one data that is 86. And 86, double click to activate. So what is this 86? Then you can directly go to this data. You can check this data. Here it is written select caches. Okay. So you are selecting if total score less than 20, less than 20. Then continue. Now, okay. Now you are going to the data set, analyze, reports, case summary. So this is the total score. Okay. And then okay. So now I find, yes, there is one score. Only one individual is there. And the total score is 16. Okay.
Sir,
This individual's total score is 16.
yes, sir. Sir, here it is written limited to first 100 cases. So,
Yeah, only one case it identifies. The total score is 16. That
Right.
individual's score is 16.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So
so,
we have a data of more than 100.
more than 100, so there is no such more than 100
No,
because the box whisker plot,
Mhm.
this is your box plot.
Mhm.
So there is no more than 100. Is the maximum score is 46 maybe.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So what I'm asking is,
Less than 45, 44 maybe. And minimum is this one.
right.
So this is the 16. That means this individual, his score is 16.
His total score is 16, right?
Okay, so that you can identify.
Yes, sir. Sir, what I'm trying to ask here is under the table, it was written limited to first 100 data. Could you go back there?
First,
Could you go back to the table which was displaying before this one? Scroll down, please.
yes, so they are all the false. And here you can find out this individual. Yes. So this is the individual.
Sir, we are still on the same screen. We
Yeah.
can.
So that is the main thing. Majority is 1. Okay.
So we are
So,
still on
and the score is 16. So in this way, you can identify the individual, and after that, you can think whether you will accept this individual or not. So it depends upon you, depends upon the researcher. Maybe this is the actual result. So you can keep this result.
Sir, actually, we are still on the output screen. We cannot see the screen that you are discussing.
It's not clear.
No, sir.
Yeah. This is clear now.
Yes, sir.
So this is the individual. Okay. 86. And his score is 16.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is correct. So this is the individual. So you can find out majority is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So most of the items, the score is 1.
Sir,
And
how?
now you have to think whether you will keep this individual in your model or not. If you are not interested, then you can remove. And if you want to keep this individual, because this individual is a control group. Okay. So you can keep this individual or you do not want to keep. It is up to you. But definitely you will find this individual. Now you tell me what is your question.
Sir,
So I am
how
showing
many
the data table.
participants are there in this? Like, how many people filled up this? Like, what is the data sample?
No, for that reason, again, I have to go to this data and I have to clear, select caches. Then I have to click it all caches.
I am just asking how much data, how many people did fill up this data. I just want to know what was the sample of this data that you are showing us.
209.
209. Right. So can you go to the output screen once?
Yeah, this is the output.
No, so this is the input. We are on the data view right now. I want to see the output screen.
Yeah, this is output screen.
Right. Now in this, we can see the summarize. After that, we have case processing summary. right?
Yeah, but this is not the actual. This is
Yes.
this particular individual.
I am getting what you're saying. So what I am asking is, here it is written limited to first 100 cases below the table. Limited to first 100 cases.
Oh, acha, acha. It is written. Huh. That
Right.
is true. It
So
is
I am
limited to first 100 cases
if after 100,
because out of 100, it already get it 86. So that maybe the for that reason it is written. Though it is because after 86, okay, there is no outlier. For that reason, maybe we get it. So less than 20, for that reason we get, that is the reason.
okay, if there was an outlier after the first 100 cases,
Then automatically it will indicate.
okay. So
It will indicate.
is there a way that you can make some settings and like make the output that way so we are able to see that?
Yeah, we can modify this particular individual. We can change this individual. We do not use that individual. That is possible.
I understand that is possible. What I am asking is, can you make that change in the data right now so that we are able to see if it shows that limited to first 200 cases? Because for you, the data is of 209.
Yeah. So what you want actually? I cannot follow.
I am
You want a box plot?
No, sir. I am asking, like here it is mentioned limited to first 100 cases.
Uh,
I want to know if there is an outlier after the 100 cases, it will show or not.
oh, acha, acha. So you are telling that is I can modify, right? The data.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose this is 104, okay? And I am taking this data. What is that individual?
Yes, sir. This is the one. 86 it was, right? The one above it.
Where is that individual? Gone.
Maybe we can discuss that in next class then. Two things.
It
This
is not here.
it is.
I do not know what happens. 86, so there. Anything wrong? Select cases. All cases are there. After 85, 86 will be there. but now it is showing 87. Somehow it has been deleted. I do not know how it is deleted.
Okay,
And
sir.
the score was 16. Okay, we can try later on.
Maybe we can do that in next class. And also, if you could let us know about the pie chart also in next class, that how we can get to know the percentage. Right.
Sure, sure.
Great, sir.
Okay, Farah, please record it, what Nishu has pointed out. Okay, thank you, everybody. Now I am closing.
Sir, just one thing I want to ask. Will we be having classes on Monday and Tuesday for Navmi and Dishera?
Not Tuesday, Monday.
Okay.